Hello guys, today I will tell you how to purchase USDT on Mexc Global. So let's get started. So first what you need to do is launch the Mexc Global mobile application on your device and log into your account. Once successfully logged in, tap the More tab located at the top of your screen. Scroll downward until you find the Buy Crypto option in the Common Functions section. Tap on Buy Crypto to access the cryptocurrency purchasing interface. Select your preferred currency for the purchase from the available options. I've selected Euro for this demonstration, but you can choose any supported currency. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to purchase in the designated field. In the I will receive section, ensure USDT is selected as your desired cryptocurrency. The application will display the current exchange rate for your transaction. In the payment method section, select debit or credit card as your preferred payment option. After verifying all details, tap Buy USDT to proceed with your purchase. If you haven't completed account verification, you'll need to provide your email address. Follow the prompts to enter your debit or credit card details securely. Complete the payment process by confirming your transaction details. Once successful, return to the home page and tap the Wallets tab at the bottom right. This will show your updated balance, including the USDT you've just purchased. And that's how you purchase USDT on Mexc Global